When opening the Octopus software, the standard toolset will be used as default. To access your science-specific tools, select the Toolset menu at the bottom and select Science. You will see that you still have access to a few of the most commonly used standard tools, and underneath this are your tools specific to science. There are a range of classroom aids within this toolset. These include your circuit symbols, weather icons, a thermometer that includes Fahrenheit and Celsius conversions, a graph generator which can be used with your experiments, a pyramid builder, and also the following. The molecule structure tool gives you the ability to create and build bonds between atoms and molecules. When you click on the tool in the toolbar, you will see that there are 4 fixed color atoms to choose from, as well as the ability to select your own. To create your molecule, drag out the number of atoms required and click on the inside to label them as you wish. To create the bonds between 2 atoms, click on the outer edge of one of them and drag it to the other. As you can see, I have now made a water molecule. As these atoms have been bonded, they will now move as one. To break the bonds, simply tap on the red line and they will become single atoms again. Another one of our extremely useful tools within this toolset is the periodic table. When opening it, you can see it has been organized by atomic structure and groups. Click on a group along the top and all of the elements within that group will become highlighted. To find out more information on a specific element, locate it in the periodic table and tap on it. This will reveal a visual of the atom and its outer electron shell, a hide and reveal of the name, and also the ability to have a quick link to Wikipedia. The drop-down menu provides information including reactions, state, melting point, boiling point, and much more. The tools don't stop there. You also have access to measuring tools like rulers, converters, a stopwatch for experiments, and protractors.